Welcome to this relaxing body scan focus meditation. Doing a body scan is a great way to place your attention on your body and put you in the present moment, allowing you to feel relaxed and focused. Let's begin. Draw your attention to the very top of your head. You may notice your hair or lack thereof. You could be wearing a hat. Whatever you notice, just become aware of it and place all of your focus on the very top of your head. Good. Now draw your focus to the very tip of your nose. All of your attention on the tip of the nose. Perhaps you can feel the air coming in and out gently. Nice. Now drawing your focus to the fingertips. Noticing how your fingertips feel right now. No need to do anything. Just place your awareness on the fingertips. Wonderful. Now, bring your attention to the toes. Are they warm or are they cool? Are you wearing socks or are you barefoot? Place all of your awareness on your toes. Wonderful. Now, drawing your attention to the belly, the abdomen. Notice how it rises and falls along with the breath. Lovely. Now, let's bring our attention to the neck. If you have any tension here, let it simply melt away. You don't need it right now. And now the shoulders. All of your focus here on the shoulders. Allow for them to drop down a little bit more, relaxing. Very good. And now focus on your legs. Focusing on both of your legs at the same time. Nice. And now both of your arms, all of your attention on your arms. Great. And now your entire back. Place all of your focus on your spine and muscles of the back. Awesome. A body scan is a wonderful way to focus your attention, as well as relax you more and more the longer you do it. So practice this technique daily and notice how your focusing abilities increase